Capricorn, 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 September 8 to 14 po. Welcome to Scorp's Work Tarot. Okay, Judgment, Karma, Karma. So, another weekend po tayo. So, Capricorn reading natin, September 8 to 14. Shout out po ako sa mga OFW yung nanonood. Kwentuhan po tayo. Kwentuhan at magkapi-kapi tayo. Enjoy natin yung weekend. Weekend, yan lang ating day to celebrate. Yeah. Capricorn, gusto natin yung celebration. That's what everybody wants. Di po ba? So, sana ang mga kapatid natin, kamag-anak, nasa mabuting kalagayan at nagkakabaha-baha ulit at nakawan na naman tayo. Ano ba? Patawarin tayo nawa ng universe, Capricorn. Ingat po tayo kung nasaan man tayong lugar ng daigdig. So, I know how it is. Ang pagiging OFW. Matagal na po akong OFW. More than 10 years. Hindi na ako nagdagdag, pero it's more than 15 as well. Hindi na ako nagbibilang. So, Capricorn, ano yung bumagsak? Tama, Capricorn yung binabasa ko, ha? Meron ba akong ibang sinabing sign? Okay. Yes, gusto natin ng liwanag. That's the most powerful energy. We want to have everything na we wish for. Ayan, superpower yan eh. Superpower yan, Capricorn eh. September 8 to 14. Yan ba yung energy mo ngayon? O gusto mong pumunta dyan sa liwanag? Yeah, gusto natin ng clarity, gusto natin ng energy of abundance, gusto natin ng energy of emotional happiness. Yan, that's the ultimate. Okay? Basahin natin yung lifeline ni Capricorn. Yes, okay, 8 of Swords. Wala na, tapos na yung pinagsisintiran mo, wala ka nang dapat problemahin pa. This is a sana all type of energy. So, yung ini-illusion mong problema, akala mo problema, ganyan tayo eh. Dumarating tayo sa sitwasyon na nagpo-problema tayo, pero hindi naman dapat problemahin, and then we look back 5 years from now, okay, nakalbo ka na in everything, nakalbo na ako or whatsoever, and then you're starting to say to yourself, nakaraos pala ako doon sa inutang ko na yun Yes? Meron ba ganyang Capricorn? That's that energy of this one. Yung 8 of Swords mo, kumbaga sa minani mo na. It's not something, eksperto itong si Capricorn na ito. Alam mo yan. Alam mo yan, at the end of the rainy days, yung the rainbow will come out. Correct? Ayan, the rainbow will come out. Hindi lang rainbow, it's the sun that will comes out. Yes. So, ayan yung mga metaphor niyan. Tignan natin kung ano yung pinanggalingan ni Capricorn. Bakit ka nasa ganyang stage of energy na masaya ka na. Yeah. Ito yung tipong nakabayad ka na sa utang mo. Okay? Yeah, pinanggalingan ko yung I know how it is. Kumbaga sa yung boyfriend mo o girlfriend mo nag-agree na, okay, magsama na tayo, meron na akong ipon. Yes? Again, relative din po yung yung ipon na sinasabi. You can be on that stage of happiness, even sapat-sapat, correct? Capricorn, meron bang ganyan? You're on that element. Okay? Ayan, kunin ko ito. Kasi pinaghirapan mo yan yung kuko mo talagang nagbanat ka ng buto eh. Yes. So kung sa career wise, hindi pinagtiyaga mo yan, nagtiyaga ka ng paghihirap para makamit mo yung position na inaano mo ngayon, ina-enjoy mo ngayon. That's how it is. Kumbaga sa farming nagpunla, nagdilig, nagtanggal ng damo, and it took you a lot of this negative energy. Ngayon hindi na, minamani mo na yan. Yes, it's a foundation. Your foundation is already in a good state. Ika nga, yan ang sinasabi. Diba? Kaya nga tayo nag-OFW eh. Agree? Meron ba ganyang Capricorn? So, tignan natin. Yan ang energy mo this, September 8 to 14. Is a lovely energy. Okay, pero tignan natin. Kung yan ang state mo, no problem. Hindi ko na itutuloy yung pagbabasa. Pero kung yan ang ine-aim mo, tignan natin kung anong situation ka ngayon. Is it the now, or is it something that you look forward to? Pero overall, yan ang scenario mo ngayon. September 8 to 14. Okay. Oops. Makatitong malagkit itong baraha. Okay. Yan yung sinasabi ko To go to this stage, yung steps of success, the ladder of success, na nag-aral ka, nagpakadalubhasa, sinunog mo yung lahat ng dapat mong matutunan, lahat ng kilay mo and everything, the wisdom, the knowledge to reach that pinnacle. Ayan yung sun, Ayan, Yeah. So, that's how it is, okay? Or kung nasa ang situation ka, nasa ang state ka ng ladder, that's how it is. And you're doing that because you care about your past. Okay? Nagkaroon ka ng, meron kang sakripisyo, iniwanan, something na hindi, okay, this is not something na I can bring with me, na for me, para maging successful ako sa career ko, I have to cut ties sa mga taong or bagay na hindi makakatulong sa akin para umunlad. And with conviction, I think this is what the Ace of Wands is all about. With conviction. Yes, alam mo yung goal mo eh. Ayan, alam mo yung goal mo, yung pupuntahan mo, but that is not easy, and you're doing that because you have something in the past na iniwan. Ano ito? Okay, this is the one that's define your ladder. Oh, very interesting, Meron bang ganyan? It defines you who you are. Ano ba yung definition mo of who you are? Capricorn. Okay, tingnan natin. I think that's the energy. September 8 to 14. Knock, knock, knock. Okay. Yan, ano ba yung sumaksak sa'yo? Mayroon bang ganyan? Ayan ba, card na yung nagsasabi. Tignan natin, Capricorn. Ano kayang magsarap kainin ngayon tanghalian? Hindi pa. Kakain ko lang na agahan a while ago, and then nag-attend ako ng mass sa online. Tignan natin tong ni Capricorn. Ano yung drama mo na yan? What triggers you? What triggers you from the past? Oh, very interesting. Tignan natin yung definition ni Capricorn na yan ng success, or what is that sun meant to you? Simple lang naman Yumaman. Okay? If there's something na you're a provider, you have a child, and you have a family. Okay, it's not necessarily that this is for women. It's the energy of being nurturing. Again, sa trabaho, you have to You have to have that nurturing type of energy kasi survival mode yan eh. Yes, it's a survival mode. Parang yung instinct mo rito is on a survival mode eh. You have to do this and to generate more revenue or to generate more income or to generate, it's you know the type of power kasi that drives you to achieve yung path mo. Ayan siya eh, oh. This person nurturing ito, but nurturing is not something na paggising mo sa umaga eh meron ka nang aanihin. You know your capability. Meron ba ganyang Capricorn? And this is something na in the past that you want to prove. Okay. Minsan, okay. I don't want to use that word. Okay, because merong parang sumungaw sa isip ko dito about this Hierophant. The Hierophant is a structure. A structure. You know your structure. Okay, merong nagagalit dito. Okay. Medyo maangas si Capricorn eh. Okay. Hindi ka tipong yun maghihintay ka. You create your own. You create your own power. Okay? Bakit ganoon? Bakit ka ganoon, Capricorn? I think you're enjoying that. Alam mo yung yung value mo. I think yan yung mga energy today. This week. Parang palaban eh. Capricorn. Parang palaban na. Ayun, yung energy of, the rules. I follow the rules, okay? Now, I need to get what I deserve. Okay, ayan, no? Wish fulfillment. Okay. Yung passion mo talagang all out here. September 8 to 14, yun? Is something in the past that create that ambition. Okay, this is a very powerful ambition. Okay, hindi ito simpleng laang na okay, tipong mag-OFW. Okay, OFW ako, maglilinis ako, or yun nga, mag-iinhinyero ako. Pero ang definition ni Capricorn on this reading is okay, mag-OFW ako, maglilinis ako, ipapakita ko sa kanila kung paano ako magtrabaho. Yes, that's your definition of this one. Hindi ito pichi-pichi na okay, alam mo tinanggal mo yung maskara mo dito eh. Yeah, alam mo yung yung value mo kasi ayaw mo nang mabagal. When you say mabagal, ayaw mong hindi ikaw yung tipong maghihintay. Ikaw ang hihintayin nila. Okay, that offer, kung may slow moving na energy na yan, is pointing towards you. You want to be served your way, the way you want it. I follow the rule, you give me what I want. Alam mo yung how to play this. Meron ba ganyang Capricorn? Okay. And otherwise you're gonna walk away. Kung sa relationship ito if somebody step out of the rules, very simple ka lang, Capricorn. Okay, I provide and you follow the rules, everything will be happy. Yes, meron bang ganyan? Maangas itong Capricorn na ito na nabasa ko. And you learn that the hard way. Ayan, oh. You learn that the hard way. Yes. Ano ka, creator ka. Creator itong si Capricorn na ito. Meron bang ganyan? Yeah, meron. Very bossy ito eh. Now if you're one of the main player here, if you're one of the main player here in this if you know this type of person, office setting na lang, if you're on this type of setting, you have to keep up to this type of energy. Ayaw niya ng ng mediocre type of pero ano yung clarity na hinihintay mo? I don't think you're waiting. You're not even nudging. You're not even nudging. You're just busy creating your own money. Pero meron kang binigyan ng ultimatum dito. Tama ba? Meron bang ganyan, Capricorn? Meron bang ganyan? Nag-ano ka rito, nag-empress ka rito eh. You know your true worth here. You know your true worth here. And to keep the dynamics happy, okay. Is it an ultimatum with your spouse? Okay. If it's a family relationship between spouses, okay. Kung hindi mo mai-offer sa akin yan, and then we might as well get a divorce. That makes me happy. Yeah. It's part of the tradition as well. Dogmas. Yeah, you ended up because ayaw mo na nga. Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko, yun at the tradition eh. Double validation, oh. You are caught up with your rules and the society, nagko-conform ka. You just want to conform. Ayaw mo ng complication. Let's conform with the laws. Okay, I will follow the traffic sign. I will follow kung ano ang responsibility ko bilang kapatid, tatay, anak, or amo, or those kind of things. We know that when we have to follow that part, na yan. You can't escape on that one. You can't escape because that's how you were brought up, and that's how you define your whatever success you are looking for. Now, in the situations of a setup or sa relationship setup or something, may mga gray area, okay? May mga gray area definitely. And you don't like that gray area kasi you're not the type of person na you want to wait. Agree? Ikaw ba yan? Now, if you can't wait, if you put it that way, because if you met a Capricorn who have this type of feisty energy, did I see? Okay, I have two queens here. Okay, alam niya eh. Alam niya. This is very corporate. Alam mo yung value mo. Put it that way. Alam mo yung value mo. Alam mo yung value mo. Alam mo yung power mo. Pero meron kang gustong iwan. Meron kang gustong iwan dahil sa nasaktan ka or what, okay? Pero you don't even acknowledge it. Kailangan mo yon. Another thing here, okay? While you're caught up with all this power or kung ano man yung pinagkakaabalahan mo, yeah, okay, sinasabi mo na you're following dogmas and tradition, you're missing out something. You're missing out the element of that emotional side of you. Meron bang ganyan, Capricorn? You know, ano yun eh, meron mga, tama, agree? Once you starting to be, yung the illusion of all those reward, value, yung who you are, yung ego tripping, for put it that way, nawawala yung element of the other side of your personality, which is also part of the tradition and that the norms and the dogmas, you know, agree? Meron eh. Kaya meron kang gustong tapusin. Or sila ang gusto magtapos the connection with you, Capricorn. It works both way. You're the leading character on this situation. O ikaw ang gusto. Kung baga sa yung spouse mo, it's something like to that effect. And you also, you have your own belief system. And you want to get away, you're a Capricorn, the other one is another sign or whatsoever, or you're both Capricorn, or the other one is a sign of Leo, Sagittarius. What is the other fire sign? Leo, Sagittarius, and what is that? Okay, another fire sign, I forgot. Okay, that's how it's being played, and you keep on nurturing it. What are you trying to nurture here? You're trying to nurture what? Okay, Capricorn, or both of you are trying to nurture it. You want to save it or something, pero hindi eh. You want to end it, and that would make you more fulfilled. Kasi there's no way for you, yung nakaset na sa stone yung belief system mo eh, and it's all coming from how you were brought up, and you're no longer happy. It doesn't serve you anymore. Kung whatever your definition of what doesn't serve you anymore. Kasi nga, you're set, both of you, kung it's a relationship dynamics, both of you are set on that type of, happiness, what makes you full. Despite that, both of you or either of you are fulfilling your duties and try to be as nurturing and working for it. Pero, dumating the situation na it's no longer serving its purpose. Now you want to have that happiness, whatever is your definition of happiness, to get out of that slow moving na stalemate. There is a stalemate despite of all dogmas, tradition can become to stalemate, Yes, it's a tradition. Kailangan pumunta ka sa papasko, Christmas party, reunion, etc., which doesn't serve the purpose anymore, but you have to follow, and those are the things that make killing you, and you want to escape out of that. Yeah, binuksan mo na yung mata mo eh, alam mo na yung gusto mo, and you want to make it happen. Tapos na yung mababagal-bagal na na decisiones or energy. Ayaw mo yun, hindi ka ganoon. Meron bang ganyan, Capricorn? Yeah, this is an interesting reading. I think this is still ongoing. Family dynamics. This is family dynamics. Masalimot anything related to family. Kung ikaw lang yung problema dito. It's especially if you're dealing with tradition. Yeah. So September 8 to 14, meron ba ganyan, Capricorn? Shout out lang para malaman ko kung sino kang sino kang nandirito na ka very very strong, hard-headed person. Tignan natin yung sasabihin ng buwan kung ano. There's no solution here, or I don't see any where gusto mo lang tapusin. That's about it. Gusto mo lang tapusin. Nasa iyo na yun kung gusto mong tapusin. If that would make you happy. Ngayon, tignan natin September 8 to 14, Capricorn. Tignan natin sinasabi ni Moon. Stress ka rin eh. Stress ka din eh. Stress ka din eh. Pero tinapos mo. Ayan o, stress ka din eh. Pero alam mo na, you know how to play this game. That's how it is. Kung stress ka, ayan ka eh. Oh. Pero tinanggal mo na yung illusion eh. Binuksan mo yung mata. It's not something na dapat mong i-waste ng energy. Okay. Okay, I think ito yung mas feel ko itong ano na ito. Okay. Sabi dito, ay nakikita sa camera. Avoid making serious decisions and instead focus on creating harmony within your relationship. Okay. Kanina may sumusungo na card, hindi ko ma-feel na, sabi ko hindi ito siya. Capricorn, tama ba? Avoid making serious decisions and instead focus on creating harmony within your relationship. Meron kayong definition kung ano yung happiness ninyo, magkaiba. Now, if harmony lang daw, do you want to work on that relationship? Kung relationship to, okay, nurture it. Yeah, very interesting. And maybe that's the sun that you are looking for. Maybe may kaibigan pa bang Libra, Capricorn? Yeah, okay, yan na hindi ko na hinokus-pocus yan, yung barahan na nagsabi. Yes. So, Capricorn, September 8 to 14. So, saan, wag nating seryosohin. We just take it lightly. So, September 8 to 14. So, shout out po tayo. Enjoy the weekend. Salamat po.